I was getting ready to have a heart attack. It's just that life has its challenges. Hey, my picture came. Do you want to see? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another CHEVMAS video. If you're new here, welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for choosing a girl. Thank you. I appreciate you. And to all my OGs, hey guys, how are you doing? How are we doing? Thank you for tuning into today. We are almost at the end mark of CHEVMAS. If you're new here, I'm doing Vlogmas, but I'm doing Vlogmas my way, so we're calling it CHEVMAS, right? Right. Today, I'm just here at work, but I have a dental visit later on today, so I want to take you guys along with me for that. But for the most part, I have nothing else planned for today. That's all I have planned for today. It's a dental appointment. Yeah. So I'll take you guys along my day. Right now, I'm trying to edit the vlog. Yeah, I'm trying to edit, okay? Guys, just bear with me, okay? I'm so sorry. This daily vlog something, I was thinking of continuing it after CHEVMAS. I don't think I can do it. So shockingly, my kids are still sleeping. It is 9:54 and my boys are still sleeping. I want to go check on them to make sure that they're okay, but I don't want to go check on them and then wake them up. What do you think? Should I check on them? Should I check? I know that AJ, for the most part, he moved a couple times, but Jam has never, when I say Jam is a morning person, Jam has never slept this long. So they had a time last night at the zoo lights. They had a time, okay? They burned out their energy. They ran up and down. They did their thing last night at the zoo lights. So the babysitter actually should be here soon. It's 9:55. She comes for 10 o'clock, so she should be here very, very soon. So let's see how that goes. Listen, the amount of time that we almost lost Jamil last night, and it's not due to us being careless, because I wasn't really vlogging. I wasn't really capturing anything because my husband had to leave me for like a quick couple minutes, and I had to watch the two of them. And Jam didn't want to do what AJ was doing. So he was in the bouncer boat. He was in the ball pit, in the bouncer boat, in the ball pit. One of the times he was coming out the bouncer boat, I'm watching him, I'm watching AJ. And somehow I lost him. Listen, my hand, I was getting ready to have a heart attack. I was getting ready to cry. Babysitter's here. That's why I don't like to go to places like, I really don't. It gives me, since I have the boys now, when places like that give me anxiety. I feel like I need one of those children harness to put on them so I can say, come here, so I can just reel them in. That's what I feel like I need, because it's so easy to lose track of your children. But what we're doing is we're just talking to them and letting them know that, listen, don't go anywhere without mommy. Don't go anywhere without daddy. Stay close. I rescheduled my dentist appointment. I'm come down here to my husband. Not necessarily that he needs help, but we have some people there do some ads for us. Mikey! We have some people here doing some ads for us. So we have Evie Royal, Bad Sicky, and Moya and TJ. So we're there right now, just behind the scenes, covering, making sure things are being done. Like I say, if Moya and TJ need any help now, and then we can go from there. So
look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful, the way it flows together.
then we can put it
Yeah.
Then if you come to go and clear the ice, you know? Have a little bit of ice.
I'm telling you, like, your finger and I can't throw it.
Oh, I
Yeah.
So you have to say it now.
Alright, wait. Ready?
So if we go home now?
No, I'm looking for something sweet.
Something sweet? Alright, we know where I get you. Come. I'm going to come back and then
When you want your tap with it, you have to tap with the cake. You have to tap. No, I don't say no, I make it.
No, but yeah, so when we get something, I say, here is whatever punch for
What
them.
is what name?
Refresher smoothie. Refresher.
That's what the company name?
Alright,
That
so,
one you say.
you know
So
what?
say make it a refresher smoothie. I have to say the brand name.
no, when we get the smoothie, I'm going to say this is a refresher smoothie. Yeah, I know that one. They say, yo, this is a refresher smoothie.
I don't want to do it.
The moment that you spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life.
So guys, that's a wrap. Everybody who came. And if you're seeing this video, we just want to let you guys know that we appreciate you very much. Thank you for coming out and assisting us. Thank you for helping us with our little business plan. Mostly my husband's business plan. But thank you so much. We really appreciate it. We're trying to increase our sales at the smoothie store, the water store, and also we're selling the ice machines. And you know, as business persons, you gotta do what you gotta do to do what you gotta do, okay? Guys, I just got home and I'm going to water is gone 2025 and every night water is gone. Listen, it is 9:44. I've been trying to upload this vlog all day and this vlog is not uploading, and it's so annoying because then this makes me look inconsistent. This makes me look, you know, and I've really been pushing out and trying very hard to stay consistent. But when you're getting a fight, when you just not even getting a fight, because everything is not a fight. It's just that life has its challenges, and even sometimes I hate to hear people always talking about, may I get a fight, or the devil a fight me. Or everything is not the devil. Everything is not a fight. There are challenges in life, and we are going to always have challenges in life. We just have to overcome the challenges that we're having. And the challenges that we're having should lead us to Christ, should lead us every single time when something's going wrong. It should lead us to call on our Heavenly Father. It shouldn't lead us farther away from Him, but as human beings, we allow our challenges sometimes to lead us away from Him rather to Him. But the challenges and the hardships and the trials and the tribulations, they are supposed to bring us closer to Him, because they're supposed to cause us to want to run into Him, not run away. So if you notice, sometimes at 10 o'clock at night, I'll post up my videos. Because why? The aim is to be consistent. The aim is, 1, to give quality videos, and 2, to be consistent. I finished editing this video how long ago this morning, and I just wanted to finalize little touches on the video. I'm grateful for TJ and Moya and Bad Siki and every royal coming by and you know, just giving us the support that we needed to push our business and grow our business more. Yeah. Today my husband was saying to Bad Siki them, he's like, oh, my wife's a YouTuber now. One thing with my husband now, don't play with my husband now. My husband is going to big up his wife. My husband is going to walk into a room and tell everybody that, hey, my wife's a YouTuber. My wife does YouTube. My wife does YouTube. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. I'm like, babe. Yeah, okay, babe. All right, babe, thanks, babe. It was a good day. It was a really good day. Honestly, I had all plans to go to my dental appointment. But then when I saw Moya, I was like, Chef, thank God you're there. We need your help. You need that. She said, thank God you're here. You can't help me. Something, I don't remember exactly the line that she said, but something along that line. I was like, alright, may I come? So I was on my way to my dental appointment, and I was just dropping off. No, I was getting the money to pay the taxi driver, and because I didn't have any cash on me, I was getting the money to pay the taxi driver and head down the road because I was going to 360 Dental. When Moya said that, I was like, oh, I can't go back on nowhere then. And it's a good thing I didn't, because then every Royal wanted my voice in the video, and then I just ended up being a helping hand and stuff like that. So it was really fun. How many of these am I supposed to take? My throat hurts. I think I caught something. Take 2 tablets every 24 hours. I think I caught something from the Zoom lights. Yeah, I think I caught something from Zoom lights, because I was thinking that I caught something from the taxi that I was in, but you're not gonna feel the symptoms so quickly. I started feeling like a couple hours, or like 2 hours, like after I come out of the taxi. You're not gonna feel nothing that quickly. So it was from last night. Empress just texted me and said that she liked the ad that Moya and TJ did. And listen, that was on Moya and TJ. The ad was on Moya and TJ. I just recorded. I had my own in my head, but that's if they didn't know what to do. But they came up with that. That was all their creative. I just stood behind the camera, told them what was good, what wasn't good, and yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Don't mind how I look. Don't mind how I look. Sorry to come on camera like this, but guys, my pictures came. My pictures came. Do you want to see? Do you want to see? Let's look at them. So here is one of my pictures. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And I'm gonna try to see if I can show you guys another one. No, baby, mommy's not going. This is one of my faves. This is my favorite out of them all. But yeah, guys, that's just a few of the photos that I really, really love. When I tell you I love all of them, I love all of them. But you know, for the most part, I love everything. The only problem I'm having is that with like our family photos, I seem to be having like a hard time, like when I zoom in, when I zoom in onto the photos, or even right now when it's posted on WhatsApp, it looks blurry. But I know that WhatsApp changes the quality of photos. So yeah, but otherwise I love them. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. I love them so much. I'm gonna print, save. I don't know what to do with all of them. But yeah, this is currently my DP on my phone now. Yeah. Love the man real bad. I'm gonna try to see what it looks like if I put the one with my husband and my kids. These are so cinematic. They look so beautiful, so stunning. So if you guys ever need your photos taken, yeah, check him out. Check him out. So this is what it looks like with the family one. Can you guys see? Hopefully you guys can see. So that's what it looks like with the family one. So I'm gonna leave that one as my DP. Yeah. Love it. One HPC, one air and photography and cinematography. And then he did well. He did good. He did real good. I have a beat behind the scenes to edit and to post. So yeah, I look forward to just check out all the content that I'll be doing. All the content will be located on my socials at That's So Chev. I have it, I'm a little pop-up that shows up